The Wednesday morning series has been going for a couple of years as part of the Fairfax County Park Authority's Arts in the Park series. And it's made possible by Supervisor Catherine Hudgens, the Hunter Mill District, the Fairfax County Park Authority, and of course, very valuable sponsorships throughout from Fairfax County.
Hey, sorry, but bad one. It won't, hold that right there, Wesley. Hold it right there in the middle. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Thank you, Wesley. All right, guys, here's what we're gonna do. On the hey!
Frying Pan Farm Park is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year, and the schoolhouse here at Frying Pan is celebrating its 100th anniversary. So we're very pleased to have the concert series as part of that celebration, because one of the things that people may not be aware of is music, and performances like the Great Zucchini is a very, very family-friendly performance, and that's what the rural community, when this was the dairy supplier for Washington, D.C., that's what that community celebrated, music and children and bringing people together.
My daughter had been wanting to come to one of these for a while, so we came. We had time, so, but we were greatly entertained by him, even the little one was, so it was very funny.
The field that the Great Zucchini is performing in today was once a farm field. This was a little pasture next to a family farm. There would have been chickens and cows in this field, and then a chicken coop, and this was an actual working family farm. Wednesdays are a special day at Frying Pan. All throughout June, July, and August, we have a farmer's market, and actually our farmer's market goes to the end of October. The music series is throughout the summer months, and it gives parents a great opportunity to come out, enjoy a performance, buy fresh produce and baked goods, and bring healthy foods home, which is part of our mission here at Frying Pan, helping people know where their food comes from.